Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you set the shortcut on your widget. Now in the iOS 17 you can add shortcut to your widget and it's working. You have to just tap on it to make the shortcut work. So let's start. Open settings. Here go to wallpaper. Now just tap on customize. Tap on widget and you can find here is shortcuts widget. Tap on it. Now then tap on shortcut widget again and here you can select your shortcut. For example, I will use this shortcut and then click on the screen and then click on done. Now if you go to your home screen, then you will find this widget, and if I tap on it, then shortcut will work. So this is how you can set shortcut on the widget of your wallpaper. Thank you everyone.